very important to understand. See, in your TEF section A, there can be an offer of employment team. It is very important. TEF section A is very important techniques. In your TEF section A, there can be a offer of employment. Now, for example, maybe because obviously, maybe you read the newspaper, maybe 2 weeks before, 1 week before, maybe one day before, and you saw an advertisement for an employment, for a job application, which we call as emploi. Repeat after me, emploi. What to say employment? What to say employment, Rashmeet? In French, we have emploi. Say Claire. Rashmeet, is it clear to
Yes, sir.
bache?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now, for example, it can be a emploi. Yes. And it is very, see, TEF is very simple to clear. It is not very tough. Yes, it has some very good skills the moment you want to grab your TEF. Clear? But over here, we have a topics wherein your TEF rotate in the direction of, these things, emploi. It can be a information about information about, yes, this is my TEF section A. This is my TEF section A. Information about recreational facilities. Recreation activities, I can say. Now, what is recreation activities? Now, for example, you want to go for a swimming classes. Clear? You want to go for a swimming classes, you want to go for a French classes, you want to go for a music classes, you want to go for a dance classes, you want to go for a horse riding, which we call, what to say horse riding in French? Cours. We have class, cours d'équitation. Repeat after me. Cours d'équitation. So the
D'équitation, d'équitation.
Équitation is what? Équitation, we have horse riding. Repeat after me. Cours d'équitation.
D'équitation.
Équitation. C'est clair. Répétez après moi. Équitation. C'est clair.
D'équitation.
D'équitation, we have course of the house, class of the horse riding. Is it clear to you, my team? C'est clair? D'accord. See, this is, I would say, a recreation activities. C'est clair. Now, par exemple, I can say cours de natation. Repeat after me. Cours de natation. The classes of the swimming. Natation. Répétez après moi. Natation.
Natation.
Repeat after me. Cours de natation. Repeat after me.
Cours de natation.
Cours d'équitation. Cours d'anglais. Répétez après moi. Cours d'anglais. English classes. Cours de langue étrangère. Repeat after me. Rashmeet, bache, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Cours de langue. This is my TEF. Langue étrangère. Étrangère, ça veut dire, c'est-à-dire quoi? Ça veut dire the foreign language classes. Étrangère. C'est clair, my team. And E, this, we have a S sound, grave. C'est clair. See, this is my TEF, my team. This is my TEF portion. C'est clair. TEF. Now repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Okay, monsieur. See the language, you have to speak with me. Okay, monsieur. Répétez après moi. Okay, monsieur. D'accord, monsieur. Je dois pratiquer. Repeat after me, please.
Je dois pratiquer.
Je dois pratiquer.
Je dois pratiquer.
Je dois pratiquer. Je dois pratiquer les formations. Je dois pratiquer.
Je dois pratiquer.
Je dois pratiquer la rubrique. I have to practice with the what? I have to practice with the headers. I have to practice. Je dois pratiquer la rubrique. Rubrique, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre header, headline. Rubrique. Répétez après moi. Rubrique. Repeat after me. La rubrique. C'est clair, my team? C'est clair? All of you, is it clear to you? Okay, I have to practice with the header, the sections. Exactement. You have to practice the session. You have to practice the sections. C'est clair, my team? Is it clear to you? Say Claire.
Of course, sir.
Now, for example, what is TEF section A? Again, don't TEF section A. See, it can be your offer of the employment, Claire. It can be, you know, the standard, the standard rental ads, the standard rental ads. It means the standard rental ads. What is that? It can be the rental apartments, it can be rental accommodation, it can be rental something on the rental on cars, or it can be the vacation home rentals. Is it clear to you, my team? On this is my TEF section A. So my TEF section A, the rubric, I would say the headers, the rubric, the headline of TEF section A can be the offer of the employment, can be the offer of the services, can be the information about recreation activities, can be the standard rental. Say clear. So this is the headers. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Rashmeet, is it clear to you, bache? Just Karan, Shin, Jay,
Yes, sir.
Preet, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So this is only my TEF section A. It means I have to practice with these formats. Say Claire, my team. Now, par exemple, listen to me, écoutez-moi, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. What is TEF section A? How you will, what the posture you will get? The kind of posture you will get, you know, TEF section A, you will get a topic like that. Vous avez lu. What is vous avez lu? Tell me. Rashmeet Bache, you know what is vous avez lu?
You have, I don't
You
know.
have read.
Yes. You know what you read, right? See why vous avez lu? Because in TEF, your past has to be strong. We have verb lire. Lire is my verb to read. Clear, bache? Rashmit, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Shin,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear to you? Yes, Karan.
Yes, sir.
Now, the lire past is what? Liu. Now, it is very important to understand. 1 second, please. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, sorry. So over here, we have, see what we have to do. Now, in order to make past tense, my team, in order to make past tense, either we have to use our verb, either we have to use at verb. Say Claire, you know Rashmi this thing, bache?
Yes, sir.
So leave is my verb, which belongs to my our family verb. I can say you read, vous avez lu. Say Claire, is it clear to you? Vous avez lu cette annonce. Now you have to repeat after me. Vous avez lu cette annonce. Can you repeat, please?
Vous avez lu
You
cette
read this announcement because your TEF section A is based upon your announcement. Say basé. Votre TEF section A a basé seulement sur votre annonce. What I said. What I said. Tell me. Section A. Repeat after me. All of you, whatever I'm talking in French, you have to repeat after me. That how you can get a portion. You get a pattern. Say Claire. Section A.
Section
section.
A basé is has base. Basé, ça veut dire, c'est quoi based? Basé e aigu. The TEF section has based a basé seulement. Seulement we have only. Seulement. What is only? Seulement. So yes, seulement we have only. TEF section A est basé seulement sur votre technique. Sur votre technique. Upon your technique. Sur votre technique. C'est clair. Sur, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre upon. Upon, above is a preposition. Rashmeet, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, I will say, now repeat after me, all of you. TEF section A, répétez après moi.
Section A.
Est basé seulement sur L'annonce is based upon the announcement. Sur l'annonce. L'annonce, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre announcement. La publicité. Répétez après moi. L'annonce.
L'annonce.
La publicité. Publicité, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre publicity. Publicité. That E, we have a sound. Now, par exemple, vous avez lu cette annonce. Now, what is set?
This.
Yes. Now, team, let me explain to you again what is this. So again, because we are doing the pattern again to revise all the things. Now we have three types of this in Spanish. Sorry, in French. So, set, see. So is used for is used for a masculine this. Set is used for a feminine this, and say is used for plural. Rashmi,
Yes.
now, so should say. Annonce is my female in French. Announcement. I can say vous avez lu cette annonce d'appartement. D'appartement. Apartment. You know appartement. Apartment where you live. Appartement. Either I can say maison. Maison, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre house. Maison. Et vous êtes intéressé. Et is and vous êtes. C'est clair. Et vous êtes. Vous êtes, this E. We have a sharper circumflex. कर लोगे बच्चों? You can do this circumflex E.
Yes, sir.
Vous êtes intéressé. See what I'm saying over E, we have a sound, aiguë, A sound, intéressé. E, we have a aiguë, A sound. I'm saying, vous avez lu cette annonce, répétez après moi s'il vous plaît, vous avez lu cette annonce.
Vous avez lu
Vous avez lu
cette
annonce
D'appartement,
d'appartement,
maison,
maison.
et vous êtes intéressé.
Et vous êtes intéressé.
It means you read the announcement of a apartment or a house and you are interested. Et vous êtes intéressé. C'est clair? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Donc maintenant ici, vous téléphonez. Vous téléphonez. It means you telephone. Vous téléphonez pour avoir, pour is my for. Avoir is my verb to have. Vous téléphonez, you telephone. For, avoir is my verb to have. Plus d'information. Plus d'information. What is that? I'm saying my T. Yes. Vous téléphonez, you telephone. Okay. Now, par exemple, Rashmit, mademoiselle, vous avez lu cette annonce d'appartement maison et vous êtes intéressé. C'est clair, mademoiselle Rashmit?
Yes.
Et vous téléphonez pour avoir plus d'informations du téléphone. Obviously, in the publicity, in an announcement, il y a des numéros de téléphone. There will be il y aura, mais je ne sais pas, les numéros de téléphone, number de téléphone. Et vous téléphonez, c'est clair, pour avoir plus d'informations, c'est clair?
Yes.
Now, ici, vous devez poser. Poser is my verb to ask. Poser une dizaine de questions. Poser une dizaine de questions, c'est clair. You have to ask the number of the question, 10 of the questions from the jury. C'est clair? D'accord? Vous posez, répétez après moi. Posez une dizaine de questions, c'est clair? Et votre examinateur, can you repeat please? Posez une dizaine de questions. All of you speak up. Posez une dizaine de questions.
Question.
Et votre examinateur, either examinateur, c'est votre masculine. Examinatrice, c'est votre female examinateur. C'est clair? Female examiner would be examinatrice and male examiner would be examinator. Say Claire. You. You is my verb to play. Rashmeet, Shen.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Preet, is it clear to you, bache? Sonal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your examinator? Examinator is you le role. Play the role. De votre interlocuteur. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me.
Enter.
Interlocuteur. Répétez après moi.
Lo.
Repeat after me.
Interlocuteur.
Interlocuteur. Use this.
Interlocuteur.
Interlocuteur. Say Claire.
Locutor.
Now, interlocuteur, c'est quoi? In interlocuteur. Now, for speaker, I would say. Speaker, interlocuteur, interlocutrice. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? I would say your examinator, your examiner, play the role of the speaker. Say Claire. This can be a conversation between two person. The one can be a propriétaire. Répétez après moi. Propriétaire. Propriétaire, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre property owner. Répétez après moi. Propriétaire.
Propriétaire.
Propriétaire, c'est clair. Is it clear to you, my team? Propriétaire, that E. Propriétaire, that E, we have a sound. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for example, if I will say tenant, say Claire. Now, for example, you will say tenant. So we can say locataire. What to say tenant in French? Locataire. Repeat after me, all of you, please. Because the moment you ask this apartment question, you have to understand about the vocab. Locataire. Répétez après moi. Locataire. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Claire. Now, what to say rent in French? Rental. Louer. Rashmeet, bache, is it clear to you? Just Karan, is it clear to you, bache? Amandeep.
Louer.
So
Yes, sir.
repeat after me. Locataire.
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 Tenant. Louer.
Tenant.
Louer,
Louer.
ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre, but I would say rent. Say Claire. Now, what to say? You say it's very expensive. Can be used. What is say expensive in French? Expensive. Tell me, team. Expensive in French. We have très cher. I can use three phrases. I will tell you three phrases. C'est très cher. Répétez après moi. Ouh là là. C'est très cher. C'est très cher. C'est votre. It's very expensive. C'est très cher. C'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Say Claire. Now, team, obviously, what to say? I will give you a lot of phrases for expensive. What to say? Discount, réduction. Because first of all, you have to understand the vocab réduction. Réduction, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre discount. Is it clear to you, team? Réduction. Les rabais. Okay, you can say réduction, say Claire. Is it clear to you? Or either I can say l'escompte. Répétez après moi. I can use the vocab of l'escompte. Repeat after me.
L'escompte.
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. L'escompte. Repeat after me. L'escompte. Team, repeat after me. Because
L'escompte.
how you can ask the question the moment you have the vocab, say Claire. L'escompte. So I can say réduction. L'escompte. C'est très cher. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Now I can use the vocab of frais also. Frais basically we use for fees, but frais obviously we use for something like, you know, the fees, the rental. We have louer, but I can use frais also. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, my team? Frais. Say Claire.
Yes.
D'accord. I can say coûteuse. Répétez après moi. Coûteuse.
Kutas.
Kutas.
Use the vocab. Coûteuse. C'est clair. Repeat after me. Coûteuse. Repeat after me, please. Coûteuse, c'est clair. Coûteuse, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre, coûteuse is a vocab of, expensive. Coûteuse, priced, coûteux. Repeat after me. Coûteux.
Kuta.
Coûteuse, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre féminin. Coûteux.
Kuta.
Now, this you, we have a circumflex. This you team, we have a, that circumflex. You have to, we have a chapeau over here, like, hut and cap.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
in you have to apply cap. Okay, circumflex, chapeau. So coûteuse, coûteux. C'est clair. Répétez après moi.
Scooter.
C'est
Kutas.
clair.
Kuta.
Coûteuse, coûteux.
Kutas.
C'est
Scooter.
clair, my team.
Yes, sir.
Now use the vocab après élevé. Team, we are working for the vocab first. Après, use the vocab because you have to go for the question making. Après élevé.
Apri.
Après
Élevé.
élevé, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre, élevé is to raise. élevé, c'est clair. It means a high price. Après, we have a price. Après élevé, c'est clair. Team, is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Après élevé, c'est clair. D'accord?
Yes.
Now, maintenant. Now, répétez après moi. Can you repeat all the team, please? Now, for example, we have expensive, très cher. C'est clair. Is it clear to you, my team? Claire. Now, for example, if you say less expensive, now, par exemple, Julie will say less we have moins. Repeat after me, moins. Moins, ça veut dire quoi? C'est votre less, moins cher. Moins cher, c'est-à-dire quoi? C'est votre less expensive. Moins cher. Moins, we have less. Now, if you say less expensive, then if you're doing it a comparison, then less expensive, then so we do the comparison with curve. Rashmi, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
See, all of you, please understand the Shin. Is it clear to you, bache? Shin,
Yes, sir.
Jaskaran,
Yes, sir.
Sonal, Amandeep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, Jay, is it clear to you? Now we have moins cher que, moins cher que, less expensive than. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
Now maintenant ici, par exemple, c'est clair. Now maintenant ici, par exemple, vous devez poser la question ici. Comment vous commencez votre oral? Exactement. How you will start your oral? For example, it is not you ask the question, what is the rent? What is the amount? No. What is the location? No. First, you have to give them respect. Now, for example, say, hello, because this is a telephonic conversation.
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour. Répétez après moi. Bonjour. Je m'appelle blabla. Je m'appelle blabla. C'est clair? Is it clear to you? It means my name is blabla. C'est clair? Et je suis très intéressé par votre annonce. Je suis, répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je suis très intéressé. Je suis très intéressé par votre annonce. You say, now for example, just consider yourself in Hindi, in English, in your language. Like you saw an advertisement for a rental and you have to call the person. You say, sir, hi, my name is blah blah and I'm very interested of your announcement. Je suis très intéressé par votre annonce. C'est clair?
Yes.
Is it clear to you, Rashmi? Bache, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now I will explain to you. See, you say I just went through with your advertisement. Now, for example, you say I just saw your advertisement. Now, for example, you have to call me. Now, the moment you saw the advertisement and you will call me, say Claire, and what you say, sir, I just saw your advertisement in the newspaper. So I just saw. See, one we have a past which is Jan Liu, I saw. But one we have a recent past. One we have recent past, which is what is the meaning? Acha, what is the difference between I saw and I just saw? Tell me, please. I read and I just read. Tell me.
मैंने देखा और मैंने अभी देखा.
It means what? It means the things maybe you have done in the next. It is just right now. So how to use recent past? I just saw. I just said. In that case, in a recent past activities, we have to use one-year conjugation. Yes, that's a rule. Rashmi, is it clear to you, bache?
जी मिस्टर.
One-year plus the plus full verb. Over here, I have to use one-year conjugation. Now, for example, if I say, I just saw. So what is I have to use one-year verb. Je viens. I have to go for a one-year conjugation. Je viens. Say Claire. Plus the, je viens the. Then we have a saw. My verb is voir. So we have a full verb over here. I cannot say view. No, because voir pepe is view. The past of voir is view. If I will say I saw, I can say j'ai lu, j'ai vu. Is it clear to you, Rashmi?
Yes, sir.
Karan? Just Karan, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm saying I just saw, so that's a rule. I will use one-year conjugation. I have to use one-year conjugation. Say Claire. It is very important to go for a one-year conjugation. Je viens de voir. मैं इसी par exemple, I'm using the main verb of my C that has to be a full verb. I just read. So what is that? Je viens de lire. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. Then you will say, I just, see, we have very great sense. I just fallen through with the advertisement. And I will be, see, in English, I'm saying like that. I just went through. I just fallen through with the advertisement. I will be very interested for this apartment because my work is very near to your place. Can I say like that? Tell me yes and no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So now repeat after me, je viens, because I'm saying I just fallen through. Je viens tomber. Tomber is my verb to fell down. Je viens de tomber. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me, my
Je
dear.
viens de tomber
Je viens de tomber
Sur votre annonce. Répétez après
sur
moi.
votre
sur
annonce.
votre annonce. Sur
Annonce.
votre annonce.
Répétez après moi. Je viens de tomber sur votre annonce et je serai. What is je serai? I will let you know. What is je serai? Et je serai très intéressé. Répétez après moi. Je serai très intéressé.
Très intéressé.
Say Claire. Now what is that? Rashmi and all of you. Just couldn't. Chen. Now what is that? Team, what is my ismr in French? Tell me. Now look, it is very important. What is ismr? Être verb.
Être
What is the conjugation of être verb, Rashmi? Tell me. Je suis. Now répétez après moi. Je suis.
Je suis.
Tu es,
Oui. Il est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes.
vous
Il est.
êtes, il est.
Now ismr can be converted with was were also and will also. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
And would also. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Now today you will come to know what is was were, and yes, you have to understand. Very simple. Say Claire. See, what is my was were in French? What is my will in French? First, I will let you know what is will. You know, Rashmi and team, what is the formula of future tense? Repeat after me. Re, da,
Ra,
da,
Ron, re,
zon,
ron, re, ron.
re, ron. This is my, Rashmi, is it clear to you, bache? This is my, oh, 1 second. I have to write again. Okay. Now, for example, sorry, it's wrong. 1 second. Because that's delete. Okay, I will write it again. Okay. Re, ra, ra. We missed RONT, which is in down. R-O-N-T. Say Claire Thakur. The end of R-O-N-T. Now, re, ra, ra, ro, re, ro.
Ro, re, ro.
It is just, you have to understand, my être futur will start from S-E. So I can say je serai. Say Claire. Okay, I have to write again. Je serai, tu seras, elle sera, nous serons. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, my team?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is just, Rashmi, you have to learn the ending. Re, ra, ra, ron, re, and ro. R-O-N-T. The ending is end. Plural. R-O-N-T. So, je serai is I will. Tu seras is you will. Il sera is he, she will. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. All of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Rashmi, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Amandeep ji. Now, for example, I will say what is wood. This is my re, ra, ra, ro, re, ro is my future. Will. Now, what is wood? Wood ending is my team. R-A-I-S, R-A-I-S, R-A-I-T, R-I-O-N-S, R-I-E-Z, R-A-I-E-N-T. Now, Rashmi, listen to me. Very simple. R-A-I, we have to insert R-A-I-S. Say Claire. The tu is also, we have R-A-I-S and R-A-I-T. R-O-N-S, we have R-I-O-N-S. R-E-Z, we have R-I-E-Z and R-A-I-E-N-T. So repeat after me. R-A-I-S. All of you repeat after me. R-A-I-S.
R-A-S.
R-A-I-S,
R-A-I-S.
R-A-I-S,
R-A-I-T.
R-A-I-T,
R-I-O-N-S.
R-I-O-N-S,
R-I-E-Z.
R-I-E-Z,
And R-A-I-E-N-T. Basically, this is my
R-A-I-E-N-T.
ending of wood
R-A-I-E-N-T.
and this is my ending of will. Rashmi and team, Jaskaran, Shane, Sonal, Amandeep ji, Jay, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We must hear.
Clear? Now, if I will eliminate R from this, now for example, if I will eliminate R from this, Rashmi, listen to me very carefully, bache. If I will remove R from this, and don't worry, entire session is under recording. So you will check the recording. It will help you again. Is it clear to you? So team, tell me, are you watching the videos the moment, obviously you're doing the session with me. So are you watching the videos in your house also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So the moment I will remove R from this future, it will convert it into past, was, were. Is it clear to you? Which we call as lem parfait ending. Lem parfait. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. Rashmi, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Now, for example, obviously, I'm saying je serai. Je serai, it means I would be very interested. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire. So, je serai, répétez après moi. Je
Je
serai
serai
très intéressé
très intéressé
par votre appartement. Par,
par votre appartement.
say Claire. Now, Rashmi, can you speak up, bache? Whatever we have done. Now, allô, bonjour, je m'appelle, je suis très intéressé par votre annonce, c'est clair. Et je viens de tomber sur votre annonce et je serai très intéressé par votre annonce, par votre appartement. C'est clair. Can you speak up, Rashmi?
Yes, sir. Allô, bonjour, je m'appelle Rashmi. Je suis très intéressée par votre annonce. Je viens de tomber sur votre annonce et je serai très intéressée par votre appartement.
C'est très bien. Excellent. C'est clair. Now, then you will say, just Karan, car is my biggest. Repeat after me, car. Je travaille juste à côté à. Je travaille, I work. Travailler, if I want to work, je travaille. I'm saying because I work juste à côté à. Juste, we have just. À côté à. À côté à. What is à côté à? See, I'm saying I work just besides to your house. À côté à votre maison. Maybe blah, blah, blah. Juste à côté à. C'est clair, my team. Juste à côté à. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yes.
Donc maintenant ici, allô, bonjour, je m'appelle Blabla et je suis très intéressé par votre annonce. C'est clair? Je viens de tomber sur votre annonce et je serai très intéressé. C'est clair? D'accord? Donc répétez après moi, bonjour, je m'appelle Blabla et je suis très intéressé. C'est clair? Et je viens de tomber votre annonce et je serai très intéressé. इसको बोलो please. इसको बोलो. 1 second. Now repeat after me, my team. Allô, bonjour. All of you speak up, please. Because
Allô,
Allô,
bonjour.
bonjour, je
Allô,
m'appelle
bonjour. Je
automatically
suis
votre
très
TEF.
intéressée
Par
Je
votre
suis
annonce.
très
par votre
intéressé par
annonce.
votre
Je viens de
annonce.
tomber sur votre
Sur votre
annonce.
Je viens de
annonce.
tomber
Et je
sur
serai
votre
Et
très
je
annonce
serai
et je
intéressé
très
par
serai
votre
intéressée
très
par votre
intéressé
appartement.
par votre
appartement. Je serai
Car
appartement
je
très
travaille
intéressée. Je
juste à
travaille
côté à.
juste
car je
je
travaille
travaille juste à côté.
juste à côté.
C'est clair, all of you? Now it
Yes,
asks you what to say rental in French. Louer.
louer,
What to say tenant in French. Locataire.
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 The moment you do a conversation with the person, I